and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to protect Chrome from malware. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to protect your Chrome from malware, you need to be aware that you should protect it by enabling your enhanced safe browsing. So you can simply do it by tapping on the three dots on the top right hand side of the corner, going to the settings and then scrolling down to privacy and security. Once you're in your privacy and security, you can simply find the security section. Right over there, you can find the option called safe browsing. Simply tap on it and now you can simply enhance and protect your Chrome from malware by tapping on enhanced protection. Now this will be a real-time AI powered against protection against dangerous sites, downloads and extensions that based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.